Budoy,
Madam?
you eating my husband banana every day?
Ay, Diyos ko. Pinagsilusan ata ako.
No, madam.
But why? I told you every day, eat my husband banana.
Uy,
No, I don't like.
Why? You know listening. Come, listening to me. Listening very good. You eat banana of my husband. It's good for you.
What is that, madam? I don't like your husband banana.
My husband like.
I don't like.
No. You need to eat husband banana, okay? Take this one, take this one.
Every day, I will give Sir banana to eat.
Yes, you need to eat banana, sir, every day.
Bakit iba yung iniisip ko? Mali ata ako. Ay, tumboy pala ako.
Budoy, come. Faster.
Yes, madam.
Give me fruits, more ice.
Fruits with more ice.
Fruits, more ice. Understanding? Faster.
Fruits with more ice. Fruits, then ice.
Come back talking. Faster.
Okay. Madam is ready. Madam? Fruits with ice.
Hey, why like this? What are you doing? I said fruits, more ice.
This one more ice. This one fruits.
Not this one.
ay, Diyos ko. Kailan ba ako magiging tama dito, eh? Hindi ko maintindihan.
What you want?
I want fruits, more ice. More ice, the fruits, the king fruits.
Fruits kings, more ice. Diyos ko. Fruits, more ice. King? Ano?
My voice spinning. You hard understanding. I want fruits, more ice. Up of the fruits, there is king.
What you want?
Ano na naman to, eh? Fruit more ice. Tapos sa ibabaw ng prutas, mayroong king.
Pineapple, madam? Pineapple?
Yes, now understanding?
Oh, fruit, more ice. Pineapple lang pala. Fruits, more ice. Mali.
Pineapple lang. Abutin tayo ng isang oras mag-usap. Diyos ko.
Budoy, what doing?
Cleaning.
You brushing? Why no remove the floor?
Huh?
Diyos ko, ipatanggal yung floor.
What, madam?
Remove the floor.
O, Diyos ko. Pati ba naman floor, i-remove ko? Katigas-tigas niya. Ano na naman itong ginagawa niya sa akin?
What happened? Slowly. Very easy. Remove the floor. Yes. What you doing? What you thinking?
Ah, ikaw pa talaga yung galit, ha? Diyos ko.
What you talking, madam?
When you change the bed of my son.
Chanage?
Diyos ko. Ano na naman English to? Hindi ko maintindihan.
No, madam.
But why?
Diyos ko, Chanels. Ano na naman tong Chanels?
No understanding, chanage.
No schooling, that's why. No understanding. Okay, change. No. Change the bed, change. I'm too much angry with you. No understanding. Very simple. No, not like that. Change. Understanding, change?
Change?
Yes, remove it, remove.
I changed already yesterday. Change, not change.
No more talking. Come. Listen, Budoy. Looking me. Next time, no talking long to me. You make me hungry.
Okay.
Always and always. My voice very painful. Next time you know understanding English, I'm talking your agency.
Wala pa yung mali.